My name's Tommy Aiken, President of the Life Distribution for AMZ Financial. Our goal for this training event was to help advisors and agents have meaningful transformation in their business, understanding IUL and selling IUL. And watching Michael speak and train and teach was something just very amazing. Most agents, most advisors don't get access to this type of advanced training in our business.
I think what was most exciting to me, or what was giving me the most fulfillment as someone who was up in front of the stage, was to see some of the feedback we got from people, that the knowledge that they're learning, the techniques that they're learning, the products that they're learning about, these strategies they're learning about could bring significant, meaningful transformation into their business. We took people that were at whatever place they were at in their business, whether they were new agents or advanced agents, and we moved the ball forward. We've got them more excited, they have now more passion.
Coming to this workshop, it has given me a significantly higher degree of confidence, both in the IUL product, because I'm looking at getting that kind of insurance for myself, but also in my ability to share it with other people confidently, because I understand now exactly what it provides and its benefit.
This obviously helps us as we look forward to new events and new training and new teaching on Index Universal Life and the things that we can do in the events that we're going to have.
We had several testimonies from people that have been in the industry a long time, saying they've never had training like this before. This is the best training they've ever been to.
I knew I was going to be excited about what I learned, and I'm excited about taking it out. We've been working with my in-laws who have been very successful in their lives, but this product, combined with what they've already done, is going to allow them to live the rest of their life the way they want, and that's what I'm excited about, is serving other people in that same capacity and helping them not have those financial fears as they go forward in life.
We were able to hold this event at beautiful Keystone, Colorado, at the Inn at Keystone. Fabulous training, great venue, and I couldn't be more happy with the results of the event and how it turned out. So we're looking forward to doing a lot more of these.